Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a wall decor with waste materials. So firstly, take your cardboard and fix a loop in it. Now seal the edges with the help of a masking tape. And now we will make the rough sketch or the rough idea for our artwork of today's video. So here I am directly drawing with the pencil on the cardboard, but you can also first try to draw it on a sheet and then draw it here. So now our design is ready. Now cut the cardboard pieces of the same size and stick them here with the help of a Fevicol. Now take the tissue paper and stick it with the help of Modpodge, or if you don't have Modpodge then you can mix Fevicol plus water. It is a homemade recipe of Modpodge. If you want to learn the detailed recipe then you can comment below. Now meanwhile it is drying, mix plaster of Paris, glue and water together and make a smooth consistency paste. And now apply it in the flowers and the waves and now let it semi-dry. Make sure that it is not completely dried. Now when it is semi-dry, take the brush backside and now carve some spirals or some random patterns in the flowers and the waves. In the flowers I am drawing spirals and in the waves I am drawing some random scribbling patterns. You can also use a comb for making these patterns. And now let it dry completely. Now we will do the colorings in the flowers. So here I am using lemon yellow and orange color. And here I am mixing. Now I have taken neon colors. I am using neon colors for some highlights. I have used neon orange from the top and neon yellow from the bottom, and now it is looking more shiny and beautiful. And now we will apply the brown color in the flower center part and do the same with the other flower, or you can do some other color combinations, as here I am doing pink color. And now again I am using some neon colors for few highlights. And if you are new to my channel then don't forget to smash the subscribe button. You can also visit my website linked in the description box. Now we will do the little bit of outlinings with a bit darker shade. Here I am using yellow ochre, but you can also mix yellow and burnt sienna. In this pink flower you can use directly red color. Now we will come to the waves. So for the waves I am applying simply the sky blue color, and the background is more simple. In the background we are applying black color. And now I am using metallic colors. I am adding some metallic touch to all the detailed work which we have done with the help of plaster of Paris. And here I am using metallic blue, golden, metallic yellow, pink and a few more metallic shades. I am applying it everywhere because we have pasted a tissue that is also giving some textures. And you can also apply the few strokes in the background. And now it is ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? And you can also frame your artwork like this. And we have already fixed the loop for hanging. And now it's all ready. So thanks for watching.